Hi, I'm Clement. Welcome to the exciting world of network analysis with Wireshark. Welcome to our 2 weeks course on Wireshark for beginners offered by Hackademy. It would understand that as our reliance on digital communication grows, so does the need to understand the language of networks. Imagine being able to listen in on the conversations happening between your computer and a website or between two devices on your home network. Wireshark is a free and powerful tool that lets you do just that. It captures and displays network traffic in real time, allowing you to analyze the data packets flowing through your network. Why is this important? Understanding network traffic can be crucial for various reasons. For network administrators, it helps troubleshoot connectivity issues, identify bottlenecks, and optimize network performance. For security professionals, Wireshark aids in detecting and analyzing malicious activities such as intrusions or data breaches. Even for casual users, it can be fascinating to peek behind the curtain and see how the internet works at a fundamental level. Think of Wireshark as a high-tech microscope for your network, revealing the hidden world of data packets. Just like a biologist studies cells to understand an organism, analyzing packets with Wireshark helps you comprehend the complexities of your network. Whether you're a network enthusiast, an aspiring cybersecurity professional, or simply curious about how the internet works, Wireshark provides an invaluable window into the world of digital communication. This crash course will equip you with the basic knowledge to start using Wireshark and embark on your journey into the captivating realm of packet analysis. By capturing and analyzing network traffic, Wireshark can help detect and investigate security incidents such as unauthorized access attempts, malware infections, and data breaches. For example, you can use Wireshark to identify suspicious traffic patterns such as port scans or unusual connection attempts indicating a potential attack. In troubleshooting scenarios, Wireshark acts as a network stethoscope, allowing you to diagnose and resolve connectivity problems, performance bottlenecks, and application issues. Whether you're a security professional safeguarding your organization's network or a network administrator ensuring smooth operation, Wireshark provides the tools and insights to effectively address security threats and resolve technical challenges. Our trainer, Dr. John Effiong, CEH, will take you through this course. Happy learning.